Hi everyone. Okay, here's my updated room tour. So this is the baby's cots. This is where I sit, and this is where I sit. So I have two sides of the desk, and so they're here on their cots, which they absolutely love. So that is fun. So if you have fur babies, the cots are the way to go. So let me start off by going on this side of the room. This is where I peel. My layout is almost done, so I covered it up. But let me try and go slow. Let me show you down below, then I'll show you up. Here's where my punches are. I got these acrylic drawers at the 99-cent store, and they were 99 cents, or 99 cents, they were a wish. They were $3.99, and you get two drawers. And these are in front of me. So if you watch my videos, you know that I said now that I can see stuff right here, this is why I am a person who needs to see stuff in order for me to use it. And this has worked out tremendously for me. I love it. So this is where I hang my bigger dies. This might be a little long video because if we're going to go this slow. This is where I hang my dies. And I shared this in a couple of groups, organizational groups, because I love organization. And some people, only a couple, could not get past the dies. They felt that they would knock them over. Let me show you real quick. This is one of the hanging ones. Okay, so now look, you grab a drawer and it comes out. It does not fall off because, let me show you, these hooks are those good hooks that go almost all the way over. So that is why you won't have a problem. And I don't reach in fast for things. So that also helps. I'm not I gotta hurry up and make this. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. So that also helps that it won't fall down. So people are funny, and that's okay. And they couldn't see anything else but the fact that the dies would fall down every time they reached for something. Those are my babies that have passed. They're with me always. So this is where I used to film. And now I just do lives every so often with that. Our backyard. Our backyard is a little dirty right now. And then my husband's building stuff. So this is where he did his office. And this is where I do cards, mixed media stuff on this side. My mom made me that. Okay, so we're going to go to this. My mom bought me that. We're going to go to this side. This is the new area for me. I'm going to scroll back. So close your eyes because I'm going to walk backwards. And I'm going to show you. This is what my husband built me. Let me go up from top. This right here is what he built me. And it is amazing. Now, what he ended up doing was let me show you. I'm not a professional videoer, so excuse me. So this up here are small bins. Now, these two that have decorations on them these decorations can be moved out, and that small bin and the medium bins can fit in there. So when the Container Store, that's where I bought them from, I'll try and link it down below. When the Container Store opens, I will buy another 12 of them. And that way I have them just in case I outgrow this area, which I doubt it. It's going to take a long time before that happens. Now, I like bins. If you've seen my other video, I used to have the close to my heart bins. Well, they discontinued them. And so I went looking when he decided to change this for me. Now, I am a sifter. I love sifting through all my stuff. So and everything is labeled, and it's in alphabetical order. So it starts from here, which is A's, and it goes down to here, which is the W. And then I have sentiments all separate. Sentiments are all separate. My embossing folders, my little golden girl, golden girl, yeah, I wish. Little golden books are in there. Now this right here, I had some extra space. Those are my Spellbinder card kits that I get each month. So those are there. And I have room to grow with those also. So that's perfect. Now this is the bigger one. Now this one's a miscellaneous, you know, the stuff you get from Tuesday morning that doesn't have a real company name on it. So that's what's in there. And everything is separated. Do you guys want me to open one? Let me open one. Let me see if I can do it one-handed. They're not heavy, but they are awkward. So this is what I do. I just open them and I put it down next to me on top of the garbage can, which has a sturdy lid, and I sift through every single item because I can and because I like it. And that is how I like to create. I like to grab a collection and go. And so this is, I have a video on how I store my embellishments, because this way it doesn't get ruined. They don't get wrinkled and messed up by putting them in these, which is always linked down below because I have a video on that. So that's how I like those. And I just sift and I go through all my stuff this way. So that is what I like. And then that, you know, you need to find what works for you. Let me close it. So snap, snap. And then I pick it up, put it back over here. So that I love it. It is my zen. This right here is my zen. This right here, so right here I have alphabet sets, so thickers, basically thickers. So thickers. Well, those are like the tinier ones. And then down right here, I have the 12 by 12, you know, the 12 by 12. I love the chipboard stickers. I love those. Now down below here on the last drawer, on the last bottom, are nothing but 6 by 6 paper pads. And those are full. So I'm going to have to take some out pretty soon. But that is 6 by 6 paper pads. Up here, I have my Doodlebug Doodle Pops. I have all my Doodle Pops together. I have the little birdie crafts, flowers, and stuff for my cards, because I really love my cards. So that is what's up there. But all of these are full, and they are just, I just love them because I love my bins. Now here is, let me move the chair. Here is my, I kept one trolley. This one's from Target, and it's the bigger one. I decided that I need, because I have so many dies. So I have this, let me show you first. This is what I have. So I have this other die wall. This is my die wall. And not including the ones hanging up. So this is on the door that goes out to our garage. And I'm not sure if I can, let me see if I can back up so you can see it. But that's the whole door. And so I have so many dies that I have and I'm not using them. And so I told him, I said, okay, my husband, I said, I'm keeping a trolley and I'm going to try and keep them all together here. So in here are like all my spellbinders. So this is nothing but dies. I mean, complete dies, and they're stored in pockets. So they're stored in the sleeve pockets that you get. And then I have what they are on the back. So I can just bring this trolley up to me. And because my room is so spacious now, even though it's a little room, it's spacious because it's organized. And so now I have all my stuff here where I can see my stamps, the stamps and coordinating dies, or just stamps that I, big name companies that I use a lot of. So that also works out for me. And in here, I have the mixed media mat and heating gun and the corner cruncher, whatever, and the some more cutting tools. Let me put this back over here. So I love this trolley. So I just bring it to me, which is easier. And then here we go, the dies. We have a TV in here that I never turn on because I am a YouTube listener. This is the mixed media area. This I absolutely love also. This is what this corner looks like. Let me pan out by backing up. So I have more, I have more stamps and more die cuts over here, right here, and they're ones I don't use very often. So the stuff I want to use is over here, stuff I don't use is over here. So yes, I have a lot of stamps and dies, but it's, they're so good. And in this bin right here is nothing but Christmas stuff, and that's the close to my heart large one. I kept that. And then above that is the Halloween only bin. And then over here is the other Christmas bin. So I have 2 Christmas bins because I have that much Christmas stuff. And then those are just the cards I've made and stuff. And those are in that bucket underneath the cards right here is the, let me show you right here, is envelopes, nothing but envelopes. And then in here are Stampin' Up, I don't know why some shaky, Stampin' Up card kits. And here's all my 8.5 by 11 paper. This is what the mixed media area looks like. I don't really use this stuff, so I need to use it more often because it's going dry. They're drying out, and that's not good. I got these containers at Walmart. They were like $5. It was crazy. So that's where I have that. And then I have this wall, which I have the little punches there. And then I have my Project Life inserts, the Design A, Design B, all of them. And those 2 binders are nothing but the Greeting Farm stamps. Nothing but. And I love that. And I have these bins, which are all full. They are all full of stuff that is fun. I love looking in those. They're just so fun. They have, let me grab one for you. Let me open one. So here is something, here's all my jelly paper clips. I have them all in one spot. I love that so much. Here is where I have nothing but the Heidi Swap Mink stuff, which I have yet to turn on. So I need to do that too. Yeah, so that's basically it. It's not, I have my, my Tim Holtz the oxides in here. So I have that there, and like these, I need to open these. They're all closed. So that's where I keep those. It's easier to bring things to me than the other way around. So yeah, this is my room, and I absolutely adore it. That new Epson Picture Mate charm, oh yeah, it's awesome. It's completely awesome. So yeah, this is where they are happy. But anyways, this is my room, and it's updated. But this right here is just, I can't recommend it enough, you guys. If you can, these are worth it. And this is where I keep the Kelly Perky little labels. I've been using a ton of those. And then these right here, that way I can see them and I can use it, and it works out. I have all the stars together, nothing but stars, nothing but hearts, and then nothing but enamel dots. So I have the enamel dots all in there. The bows, my bows, I love my bows. They're all in here. Oh, and these are all my sentiments that are loose. So yeah, super fun, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I love my room, and Tim just made it so beautiful for me. He really did. And I have room to grow if I need to by buying more bins. These bins are just amazing. I absolutely adore them. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.